A very good afternoon and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module of class 4 mathematics, we are going to understand that how we can compare the numbers without any hiccups. So basically there are two rules which we have to follow. The first one is that the greater the number of digits, the greater the number is. Whenever you will get two numbers for comparison, the first and the foremost thing which you have to check is the number of the digits, okay, present in the given numbers. So here the first question which I have taken for you is that we have to compare two numbers which are 12,756 and another one is 4,879. So for comparison, the first thing which I'll do is I'll count the number of the digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits only, but in this number we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits. So we already know that a 5-digit number, okay, will be a greater number as compared to a 4-digit number. So by this rule, 12,756 we have got to know is a greater number. Now in another case, I have taken a 6-digit number and a 5-digit number. So the 6-digit number is 9,19,478 and a 5-digit number is 91,947. So here when we have to compare both these numbers, so we can see that a 6-digit number, okay, will be a greater number as compared to a 5-digit number. Okay, so I hope with this rule that which says that the greater the number of digits, the greater the number is, you will be able to compare the numbers, okay, very easily. Now there can be another case also when the digits are same. Okay, what will you do and how will you compare the numbers if the digits are same? Okay, so you have to start from the left and compare the digits until you find the two digits that are different, okay, and then you will compare them to decide which is the smallest or the greatest number. So here we have taken two numbers, okay, in both the numbers we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are present in both the numbers. Okay, so you will start from the left, okay, and compare the digits until you find two digits are different. So from the left side, if we are starting, so here we have 12,000, here we also have 12,000, but if you will look at the hundreds place value, so here we have 104, whereas here we have 700, okay, 56. So 700 we can see, right, is a greater number as compared to 100. So 12,756 will eventually become the greater number, right? Now the next two numbers which I have taken for comparison are 20,005 and 20,050. And if we start the comparison from the left side, okay, so here we have 20,000, here we also have 20,000. The hundreds place digit is 0 here, it is also 0 here, so till hundreds place both are similar. But if we check the tens place value, so here we have 0, whereas here we have 5 tens, which is 50, and at ones place we have 5 over here, but we have only 0 over here. So if we compare these two numbers, so 50 eventually, okay, is greater than, okay, 5, right? So from this comparison, it is absolutely clear to us that 20,050 is a greater number as compared to 20,005. Okay, so these are the basic two rules which we have to follow. Okay, when the digits are not similar, okay, then you can, what you can do, how you can compare, you can just simply see that the greater the number of the digit, the greater the number will be. Okay, and when the digits are similar, you are going to start from the extreme left, okay, and you will compare this until you find that two digits are different, and then you will compare their place values and you will find out, okay, to decide that which is the smaller and which is the greater number. So this is all in this module. I hope you all are revising your concepts, okay, day in day out, you all are putting efforts. So children, keep on learning. I'll be meeting you on everyday basis, okay, where we are going to revise and we are going to go through the concepts which we have to study or which we are about to study in the upcoming classes. Thank you and Jai Hind.